Hello, ladies and gents. This is our third digital citizenship lesson. First of all, I want to point out this little saying at the top. We know the power of our words and actions. And even though we're not going to be in person, even though we're going to be virtually learning, we still need to remember that each and every day. So the title of our lesson is Who is in Your Online Community? How are we all part of an online community? What is the Internet? How would you describe the Internet to a younger sibling, cousin, or friend? The Internet is a worldwide network that connects people using computers, phones, or other devices. A community is a group of people who share a common neighborhood, a background, or an interest. So this is a good diagram to think about how we are all connected. So this is yourself, you're in the middle, and then expanding out, you have a larger area here that includes your community. So you're thinking about the people that live in your community, the places that they live, and then an even larger circle is the world. And so the world includes all of the people that live in the world and all of the places that they live. And so we are all connected through this virtual learning, through this online learning. We're connected through the internet. Don't forget to do your exit slip.